Kids English World. It is time to learn the numbers and become amazing. This little boy is trying to make a tower. But he's confused because first he needs to learn the numbers. Now he's looking at the blocks carefully.
Oh, wow!
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's count again.
Wow!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, good job. Subscribe this channel to learn more.